Have you looked in the mirror lately and wondered, when did my skin start looking so dull, so tired, almost gray? Here is something most people don't realize. It is not just age that changes your skin. It's what's happening inside your body every single day. And the shocking part, some of the biggest culprits are hiding right in your kitchen, but so are the solutions. By the end of this video, you'll discover 7 powerful foods that can naturally brighten aging skin, reduce dark spots, and bring back that healthy glow, all without harsh creams, expensive treatments, or risky procedures. And one of these foods might already be sitting in your fridge right now. As we grow older, our skin changes. It becomes thinner. Collagen production slows down. Blood flow decreases. Years of sun exposure begin to show up as pigmentation, uneven tone, and a general dullness. Many mature adults tell me, "I drink plenty of water. I use good products. So why does my skin still look so tired?" The truth is, glowing skin after 60 is just about what you put on your face. It's about what you feed your cells from the inside out. And here's the big question. What if your skin isn't dull because of age, but because it's missing specific nutrients that help it repair and renew itself? Stay with me, because in just a few minutes, I'll reveal the one nutrient that acts almost like an internal light switch for brighter, more radiant skin. So, let's start with what's really happening beneath the surface. As we age, our body produces more oxidative stress. Think of oxidative stress as a kind of internal resting. It damages our skin cells, breaks down precious collagen, and slows down the skin's natural repair process. At the same time, circulation can become weaker, which means less oxygen and fewer nutrients are reaching your skin cells. The result? That pale, uneven, lifeless skin tone that so many of us worry about. But the good news is that certain foods are incredible at fighting this oxidative stress. They boost collagen, improve blood flow, and support a healthy pigmentation balance. First up, berries, especially blueberries and strawberries. These little powerhouses are packed with antioxidants, which are natural compounds that protect your skin cells from damage. Antioxidants act like tiny shields, preventing the breakdown that leads to dullness and dark spots. Just a small bowl a few times a week can make a significant difference. Second, let's talk about citrus fruits like oranges and lemons. These are famously rich in vitamin C, which your body absolutely needs to produce collagen. Collagen is what keeps your skin firm and smooth. When collagen levels decline, skin can look saggy and uneven. Vitamin C also helps reduce hyperpigmentation by slowing down excess melanin production that is the pigment responsible for those dark spots. Third on our list is spinach and other leafy greens. These are loaded with nutrients that improve blood circulation, and better circulation means more oxygen is delivered to your skin, which creates that healthy, pinkish glow we often associate with youthful skin. Fourth, we have fatty fish like salmon. Salmon is a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, which work wonders to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic, low-grade inflammation can make your skin look red, blotchy, or thus plain dull. Omega-3 south also help keep the skin hydrated from the inside, reducing that dry, crepey appearance that many people start to notice after 60. Fifth, sweet potatoes. Their beautiful, bright orange color comes from a compound called beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for supporting skin cell turnover. This means old, dull cells are replaced with fresh, brighter ones much more efficiently. Now, let's just take a short moment to pause and think about this. Your skin has carried you through decades of life, through laughter, tears, raising children, and building a life. The lines and changes you see tell a beautiful story. Brightening your skin isn't about trying to look 30 again. It's about feeling vibrant, confident, and alive in the years you're living right now. Okay, let's continue. Sixth on our list is tomatoes. and specifically, cooked tomatoes. They're rich in a powerful antioxidant called lycopene, which helps protect the skin from sun damage and supports a more even skin tone. Over time, sun exposure is one of the biggest causes of pigmentation and dullness. Lycopene works quietly in the background, helping to repair that damage from within. And finally, the one that many people overlook: green tea. While it's technically a drink, it absolutely deserves a place on this list. Green tea contains potent compounds called catechins that have been shown to improve skin elasticity and reduce oxidative damage. Drinking just 1 cup daily can support clearer, brighter-looking skin over time. Now, do you remember the question I asked earlier? What's the one nutrient that acts like an internal light switch for brighter skin? The answer is vitamin C. Without enough vitamin C, collagen weakens, pigmentation increases, and your skin's ability to repair itself slows down dramatically. Many older adults unknowingly become mildly deficient because our ability to absorb nutrients can decrease with age. Simply adding more vitamin C-rich foods to your diet every single day, not just occasionally, can make a visible difference within just a few weeks. So, how do you put all of this into action? It's easy. Start simple. Try adding berries to your breakfast in the morning. Include a side of leafy greens with your lunch. Aim to eat fatty fish twice a week. Swap your regular white potatoes for sweet potatoes. And maybe try drinking a cup of green tea in the afternoon instead of a sugary beverage. Small, daily changes are what create visible, lasting results. Bright, healthy skin isn't about perfection. It's about nourishment. When your body feels supported and nourished from the inside, your skin reflects it on the outside. If this video helped you understand your skin in a new way, please share it with someone you think might need it, maybe a parent, a friend, or even just as a reminder for yourself. Take care of your body, and it will take care of you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Join me next time as we continue learning more simple, natural ways to stay vibrant at any age. Thanks for watching.